Hi guys. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to identify web elements using name. We already covered how to locate web elements using ID and XPath. Here you can see these two types we have already covered in our previous tutorials. So in this tutorial, we'll cover how to locate a web element by its name. I already told you that each web elements have some properties. These ID, XPath name, tag name, class name, these all are the properties of a web element. So I want to show you here. If you'll go here, click on this Firebug, here it will open a debug window. Click on this inspect icon, and if you'll click here, you will see this is input tag. So each tag in HTML have some properties like attributes, ID, class, autocomplete of name, and some CSS kind of things are there, so which we'll cover in our next tutorials. So using these attributes, we can identify or locate a web element like input tag, right? This text box. So as I told you, like in our previous tutorial, we have covered the web element using this XPath. Here you can see XPath, and in previous tutorial we have covered how to locate with ID. So in this tutorial we are gonna identify the web elements using name. So here in this I'm creating a new Java class. So go to here, file, new, and new class. So we'll give a name to this class. Locating by name. So locating web elements by name. So I'm giving it a name, locating by name. So make it a main method in this class. So finish. So here in this program, for this automation script, we don't need to add this Selenium jar files because they are already there in this referenced folder. We have already imported those files, added those files in this package in our previous tutorial. So we'll simply start the automation script. So first of all, the same thing, we need to create an instance of Firefox WebDriver. So first, WebDriver driver object of this new Firefox driver. So this so here we have completed this thing. So what it will do, it will create an instance of the Firefox driver. So it will launch the Firefox browser. So we need to import this package because this class is there in this package, and one more package we need to Firefox. Right, now we can use this driver object. So first of all, we need to open that URL, driver.get. So in this get, we'll pass the string or the URL which we want to open. www.indeed.com, so which we are using in our previous tutorials as well. Now it will open the not the full size window, so we need to maximize the window as I already showed you in our previous tutorials. So this part is same, I am not going to explain in depth. So driver manage window maximize, right? So these are the methods we are using. So it will maximize this. Now we will identify the element. So let me put here thread.sleep. So wait for 4 seconds. So what it will do, it will by the time it will open this URL, and the page will load all the web elements, so it will wait for 4 seconds. So it will throw an exception. So click on add throw declaration, and here interrupted exception it will throw, or you can select any of these like exception, as a general exception it will throw. So let me put select the interrupted exception. Now we need to identify the web element. So driver dot find element, so driver dot find element by dot name. So here you can see name and this, so in this will pass name, and one more element is there. So we have two text box as you this what and where. So right, so in these two text box we need to pass some values. So what I'll do, first of all I'll see the name of this text box. Here you can see this is the name cube. Okay, so we can use this name cube, right? So and this element, this find element method will return a web element. So here you can see it will return a web element. So what I'll do, web element username. So I'm storing this, or it's not username actually, it's asking for what you want to search. So I'm giving it a name as what. Okay, so we need to import this package Selenium HQ web element. So you just need to do that. Done. So now I'll do I'll clear the default value wht.clear. So it will clear the, if some default value, like here you can see it's showing mountain view. If I want to clear this value, then we can use this clear method, right? And now we need to pass that value wht.send keys. So send keys if you want to send some values in the text box. So here you can pass Selenium automation, right? So first we identify the element by using name and we pass this value. Now same thing we need to do for the second element. So same thing we are doing for this thing, this let me show you this text box, right? Where, so here you can see the name is let me copy paste, right? It would be better. So it's one, and I'm coming here again. So we can do same copy paste, or let me write it again. web element where I have created a web element, and driver dot find element by dot name, then we can copy paste the name, Control V, and then this, and we'll clear the value. Like here you can see it's by default it's showing mountain view. If we are moving to this URL, so I want to clear this value and I want to search the job in the city where I want. So where dot clear, so it will clear, and right, so again where dot send keys, you can pass the city name, suppose Sunnyvale. Sunnyvale is also in California, so Sunnyvale. Now after entering the value we need to press this button, right? So here you can go. So if you click on this, it has ID, class, type and value. So it don't have any name attribute, so we can use in the same ID attribute which we used in our previous tutorials, right? So Control C, here you can go driver dot find element by ID by dot ID. So here you can pass that ID which we copy pasted FG, and this is a button, so we don't need to click on this button. So first we find this element using this method driver dot find element by ID, and then we need to click on this method. So we can click on this, right? So we are clicking on this, and So after clicking on this, I'll do one thing. The thread dot sleep, we can ask the browser to wait for some time. This time I'm asking for 10 seconds, and then I'm asking to close the browser. So driver dot close. So here it will close this browser. So why I'm using this to release the memory, right? So that's why I'm using this command driver dot close. So now we'll run this program and we'll see how it is working. Run Edge and Java application. So first of all, it will what it will do, it will launch a Firefox browser, then it will pass this URL, then we'll maximize the window, and then it will pass these values, Selenium automation and Sunnyvale, and then it will click on the button. We'll see the result. So browser launched, URL passed, here it will Selenium automation, and then Sunnyvale, and then click on this find jobs, and you are here. Now after 10 seconds it will close this window. So see, now it's working fine. So our program is running correctly. So whatever we did, it is working fine. So if you like it, please click on like and subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials. And in next tutorial, I'll discuss how to identify web elements using tag name. So like tag name is nothing but HTML tag, right? So using the tag name, we'll identify or locate the web elements in the our script. Next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this if you like it, and have a good day.